Hi everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Today I'm going to teach you how to talk about who something belongs to using possessive nouns and possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are different than possessive adjectives, although both are important when talking about who something belongs to. If you missed my video about possessive adjectives, you can find the link in the description box below. The biggest difference between the two is that possessive pronouns replace a noun. Possessive adjectives come before a noun to tell us who something belongs to. Let's talk more about possessive pronouns. Here are regular pronouns in their possessive form. For I, we use mine. For you, we use yours. For he, we use his. For she, we use hers. For they, we use theirs. And for we use ours. Let's look at how possessive pronouns act in a sentence. Here we have the books are blank. Now we'll fill them in with the different possessive pronouns. The books are mine. The books are yours. The books are his. The books are hers. The books are theirs. The books are ours. Now that we've looked at possessive pronouns, let's look at possessive nouns. Possessive nouns are different depending on if the noun is singular or plural. To make a singular noun possessive, we add an apostrophe and then an S. So girl becomes girls. Cat becomes cats. It's the same for someone's name. Sarah becomes Sarah's. This is also true for singular nouns that end in S. We have to add an apostrophe and then another S. For example, circuses, bosses, Charleses. If a noun is plural, we add the apostrophe after the S that is already there to make it possessive. So for example, tables, plural, become tables. Mothers becomes mothers, and so on. Be careful with the difference between possessive versus plural nouns. This is a very common error people make. The apostrophe is really important because this is how we can tell if a noun is plural or possessive. For example, brothers is singular and possessive. Brothers is plural but not possessive, and brothers is plural and possessive. Do you see the difference? Now that we know how to form a possessive noun, let's look at them in a sentence. Possessive nouns always have to have an object. For example, the dog's food. Food is the object. It's what the dog possesses. Other examples are the student's homework, the girl's bicycles. The object of the possessive noun is always the first noun after the possessive noun, but you can add other words in between. For example, Julie's blue hat. The hat is Julie's and it's blue. Or Tom's clean room. Again, the room is Tom's, and we're describing it as clean. Possessive pronouns are different, though. They do not come before the object. Their job is to replace the possessive noun in a sentence, but usually the object is already mentioned before them. For example, your house is bigger than mine. Here, mine is a shorter way of saying my house. So the sentence could also say, your house is bigger than my house. But again, we use a pronoun, a possessive pronoun, mine, to make the sentence shorter. Or this one, I forgot my pen. Can I borrow yours? Yours is short for your pen. So this sentence really means, I forgot my pen. Can I borrow your pen? Today, you learned about possessive nouns and pronouns. Don't forget to watch my video about possessive adjectives as well, so you know how to talk about who something belongs to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!